Ever feel like your work is spread across sticky notes, notebooks, emails, and multiple different apps? That's exactly the problem ClickUp is designed to solve. Instead of jumping between different tools, ClickUp brings your tasks, documents, calendars, goals, and much more into one organized workspace. In this video, I'll explain what it does, how it works, and why millions of people use it to stay organized. So, what exactly is ClickUp? The easiest way to think about it is an all-in-one productivity platform. Instead of using one app for your to-do list, another for notes, another for project management, and another for your calendar, ClickUp brings everything together into one place. Whether you're managing a business, planning a project, organizing schoolwork, or simply keeping track of everyday tasks, it gives you one central place to manage it all. And while it can definitely be used by large companies and teams, it's just as useful if you're working completely on your own. Now let's take a look at how it actually works. At its core, everything revolves around tasks and spaces. For example, let's create a test space. We'll click on the plus button to create a new space and name it something like My Projects. Inside this space, we can create a list, again by clicking the plus button and selecting List. We'll name this list, for example, Project Ideas. Inside the list, we click on Add Task and create a task with a name, a due date, a description, and any other details we need. From there, we can attach files, create checklists, leave comments, and assign the task to someone else if we're working with a team. As progress is made, you can move tasks from To Do to In Progress and eventually to Done. It's a simple system, but once you start adding all of your projects, it becomes much easier to keep everything organized. If you're working with others, you can easily share specific tasks or entire projects with team members and control their permissions. So, who is ClickUp really for? Content creators can manage videos and content calendars, freelancers can organize client work, businesses can manage projects and collaborate with teams, students can keep track of assignments, and honestly, anyone who has a lot going on can benefit from having everything organized in one simple place. If you've been looking for a better way to stay organized, ClickUp is absolutely worth checking out. The best part is that you don't have to commit to a paid plan just to see if it's right for you. You can create a free account, explore the features, and decide whether it fits the way you like to work. That's it. I hope this overview helped you understand what ClickUp is and how it works.